stolen box truck on the run in parking lot. Sheriff's coming in deep trying to stop it. Takes about 8 cars to stop this truck, and the guy tries to make a run for it. But unfortunately, he took the wrong exit in the parking lot plaza and got ambushed. Story is, he stole the box truck to collect his belongings from his baby mother's house, and she called the police on him so he wouldn't come and remove the new furniture he bought for the house. It's a very Jerry Springer type police chase. Hope she bails him out.